In this video, I'm going to talk about what inequalities are. So, inequalities are these things right here. I have 4 examples of inequalities. They are exactly what they sound like. They are symbols that mean not equal, unequal. So, they mean greater than or less than, or both. So, these both mean greater than or less than. And then these lines down here could mean greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So, to show you how they work, I'll put some numbers here. So my question is, are these statements true? First problem. This one reads 1 less than 5. So, like I wrote here, you should always face the triangle toward the bigger number. So in this case, you can see it is open towards the bigger number. 5 is bigger than 1. 1 is less than 5, or 5 is greater than 1. You can read it either direction. So in this case, yes, that is true. 1 is less than 5. So basically, this one is facing towards the bigger number. So, this next problem. This one reads, 3 is less than 2. 3 is less than 2. I put a question mark. No, obviously not. That's false. We could also read it the other direction. 2 is greater than 3, because this indicates that this symbol indicates that the one where it is facing open towards should be greater. So this statement right here is telling us that 2 is greater than 3. However, this is false. That was the question. Is it true or false? Now, on this third example, when I sort of underline them, that means or equal to. So this inequality reads 6 is less than or equal to 6. So is 6 less than 6? No. But is 6 equal to 6? Yes, obviously. So this one is true. So this says that it can be either a smaller number on this side, or it could be the same number. And in both those cases, this would be a true statement. So let's look at this next one, number 4. 3 is less than or equal to 7. True. It's not equal to 7, but it is less than 7, and that is what is indicated by this symbol. So that one is okay, that one is true. Now, with inequalities, you can also have more than just one number on either side. You can have some math to do, some arithmetic, some algebra. You can do different things. Now, for this problem, I have 5 plus 3 is less than 7. That's a question. Remember, the instructions were, are these statements true? We're supposed to figure out if they're true or false. So 5 plus 3 less than 7. So just like if it were an equality, or if there were an equal sign here, we can do basic math functions. So we can add these. I rewrote this as 8 greater than 7. That's true. Now, again, I want to point out that the open side indicates greater than. It's not a left or right thing. It is the open side. And it can go both directions, just depending on which way you want to face it. I could say 7 less than 8 if I flipped this symbol around. It just needs to have the open side facing towards the larger number. So this one's true. 8 is greater than 7. Alright, so let's look at number 6 here. I have negative 12 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 3. True or false? So again, with the basic math functions, we can say negative 12 plus 4 will be negative 8. So negative 8 greater than or equal to 3. That's false. Negative 8 will be less than positive 3. It's also not equal to, so neither of those cases works. It's false. Over here, you can see that I put a question mark on top of it. A lot of people do that when you are trying to determine if it's true. If the question is true or false, you will put the question mark here because we have not yet determined if this is actually a true statement. It may or may not be. It's a question. And then in this case, it was not true, it was false. Okay, so these practice problems here that I have in blue are also true-false questions that you can do, and I will put the answers to these in the description of this video.